In today's watercolor tutorial, we will be painting a beautiful dusk sky. Painting dusk skies are relaxing, and the final painting will bring happiness to you. Enjoy this creative process as you watch beautiful vibrant colors flow on the paper. I enjoy painting with watercolors as it brings me joy as well as it helps me to relax. To paint the sky, I use a size 8 and a size 2 round brush. Watercolor paints in the shades yellow, orange, rose, violet, and black. For the stars, we can use white gouache, thick white paint, or a white gel pen. I tape down the edges of the paper to get a neat border around the painting. Let's mix colors to paint this beautiful dusk sky. First, let's take some yellow and orange and then rose on a palette. Next, take ultramarine violet. It's fine if you don't have it. You can use a lighter shade of violet. And then we add some violet to our palette. Now let's mix the rose with the ultramarine violet and then yellow with orange. And your colors are ready to paint this beautiful dusk sky. And there you have painted a beautiful dusk sky. Hope you enjoy painting along and feel refreshed and relaxed after creating this painting.